Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. Appreciate you tuning in with me today. If you're feeling anxiety, worries, scarcity, lack and limitations, desires unfulfilled, fear, depression, addiction, loneliness, perhaps even joyfulness. Reminding you that you're not alone, not on an island, but deeply interconnected to the human experience of suffering and of love and everything in between. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Trust in our own capabilities to shift our thoughts, to shift our perspective, to shift from fear, come back to love. That being said, getting comfortable, you can lie down or sit up straight, becoming more aware of your posture. Extending your spine so that your spine can be as straight as possible. You can gently close your eyes, becoming more aware of my voice and the sound. Dropping your shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your hands and feet, letting go of tension in the fingers and toes. Relaxing your belly. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling forgiveness for any mistakes. And exhale, letting go of past. Coming back into this moment. Breathing in fully and completely. Exhale, releasing stress. Letting go of tension in the face, I'll bring in a subtle smile. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go of any insecurities. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhale, releasing fears, letting go of fear. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body. Taking a deep breath in, deep breath out, breathing in, and breathing out, inhale, and exhale, inhaling, and exhale. Doing good, my friend. Staying aware of your posture. Aware that you're alive. You've lived to see another day. It won't always be that way. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Letting go of worries, coming back into trust that everything is unfolding as it should, and that you have the capacity to respond to the unfolding of life with more awareness, with more compassion, with more trust. Coming back into your courageous heart, dropping down from the mind which sees threats, which sees things to worry for, and coming into the courageous heart space that can enter into the unknown with more boldness. Relaxing the belly, opening your chest, feeling your heart open like a flower in the sun, ready to share beauty from the heart with all that you come across. People, a tree, the sun. Feeling more connected to life today. Glass of water. Understanding all these different things that we are dependent on for our lives. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Relaxing your belly, feeling the breath drop down from the chest into your stomach, pushing the stomach outwards in a relaxed way, dropping the shoulders. Looking inwards, you're safe to close the eyes, witnessing and welcoming your inner the world, very gently, very lovingly. And if the mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Becoming aware. And letting go of thoughts. Coming back into your body as you breathe in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy that you would join me today. Coming back into your body, aware of your space, aware of your awareness itself. The past is history, the future is a mystery, and the present is a gift, which is why we call it the present. Remembering that your presence has its own unique gifts. If you feel depressed, it could be because you're stuck in the past. And if you feel anxious, it could be because you're stuck in the future. Letting go of past, letting go of future, and just for a few moments, being totally present. Taking a deep breath in and exhale out. The color for today is green. The number is 3. And the animal is an eagle. Coming into your heart, remembering the beauty of feeling your heart, sharing your heart, being in your heart. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of trust, an abundance of faith. Faith that you can overcome the obstacles that have been stressing you out. Faith that these obstacles are not against you, but in your support. Inseparable from your growth, from your healing, from your wisdom that you are on the way. Sometimes we have to go through difficult things in order to cultivate more understanding. Embracing the difficulties of life as something precious. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.